Welcome to the channel. This is video number 10 in the Modern Maker series that I'm doing. This video is about Jason Lonon, who is a modern maker out of North Carolina. He's been working on tools and making tools for over 20 years. But what I like so much about his story is the fact that he started as a one-man show and he now has a team of people working for him. That shows you the heart and the dedication and the quality that goes into his tools, and really, his tools are phenomenal. They also have a wide range of different tools as well. They have adzes, axes, things for carving spoons. I threw myself off with the adzes. So I highly recommend checking out his website because they have a ton of different tools, from carving to axes to pull shaves, push shaves. They even have a pickaroon. I mean, they've got all kinds of stuff. And in my opinion, they are priced really well for what they are. I mean, they are hand forged, made locally here in the United States. So go to his website. I will put a link to that down below. You guys got any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let me know. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.